Let's add a custom 3D item model to our Minecraft mod. More in-depth topics for Minecraft modding available in the 121 modding courses linked below, covering writable and tameable entities, custom entity armor, and even custom entity inventories, among many more awesome topics. Alright, we found stuff back and tell you once more, and in this tutorial we'll be adding a custom 3D item model to our Minecraft mod. Now, of course, we have done pretty much this exact thing already with the tomahawk. However, I want to do this without all of the entity stuff, and we're, of course, going to use our radiation staff for this. Now, of course, once again, this blockbench file will be available to you down below, and let's just export everything that we're going to need. Now, of course, the first thing is go to File, Export, and then Export Block/Item Model. This is going to export the radiation_staff.json file, and then we also need the texture. Simply right-click, Save As. And that's going to be the radiation_staff PNG. And that is actually everything we're going to need for the custom item model. In this case, it is fairly straightforward. And what we're of course going to do is we will replace the item model that exists right here. However, we're going to do this in a smart way because next tutorial we're going to continue working with this. So in models item, if you've already added the radiation staff, we're going to click on this, press Shift F6, and we're going to rename this to radiation_staff_2D, because this is sort of the 2D representation that points to the 2D texture right here. And we're going to do the same thing for the PNG right here. So what we're going to do inside of the JSON file, we're going to change this to _2D, and then the name of the texture will also be changed to radiation_staff_2D. Of course, don't forget to change the name of the mcmeta file as well, where it's now going to be radiation_staff_2d.png.mcmeta. You can of course also check all of this in the description below. There is a GitHub repository with all of the changes and everything basically listed there. And we can now add under models item, we can add the radiation_staff.json file. And we're also going to add the radiation staff PNG. This is just under textures item over here. And here, of course, very importantly, inside of the JSON file that we have exported from Blockbench, we need to change the texture here to be tutorial mod : item/radiation staff. And the same thing goes by the particle over here. And now it is going to point to the correct texture and everything is going to work. Now this, crazy enough, is everything that we need for a custom item model, right? Obviously, I mean, we also need to make the custom item model, which is a whole different process, obviously, and that is definitely a little bit more complicated. This is not done by me, right? NanoAttack did this, so yeah, that is another sort of thing to learn. I will link in the description and at the top right corner a great tutorial series. I don't know about great, but a tutorial series that will get you a little bit closer on to how Blockbench actually works and how to use it. I don't know if that's necessarily going to get you amazing 3D models, but at least then you know how to use the actual program. With that said, let's jump into the game and see if it works. Alright, friends, we're back in Minecraft, and you can already see that both in the inventory as well as on the ground, as well as right here, and if I have it in my hand, I mean, it does look pretty freaking sick though, right? Yeah, there it is, a 3D model for an item over here in this case. Now, one thing though is we've added this like beautiful texture that was animated before. If we could just have the best of all worlds, a texture inside of the inventory and a 3D model in the hand. And of course we can. This is similar to the spyglass. If you look at this, obviously this is a texture, and if I have it in my hand, then you can see it is a 3D model, and that we can do also. We're going to see that next time. Indeed, that's going to be it for this tutorial right here, but next time we're going to make a 2D texture appear in the inventory and a 3D model inside of the hand. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.